Sorry for all the noise in the background, but, so today, I know this is a different video. Today, I am going to be trying out for the F3Line Casting Call. Hopefully, there's still enough time to do it, cause I was actually trying to do this with my cousin.
Sherry, Sarah, stop.
I was trying to do this with my cousin. Her name used to be Chicken Floop, and now it's, I don't remember the name, but it has like a little moon icon. So we were on FaceTime doing it, and I was trying out for it, and little did we know until she watched the recording, it didn't record sound. So hopefully this time this doesn't flop and it will work. So today I am going to be trying out for each character of the F3Line Casting Call. Are you ready to go on these, guy? Listen, it's not that I don't care, but I cannot control the past. Wait, I didn't mean that. Please, I'm sorry. That was like super weird, but so that is Simba. So moving on to next one, we have Charlie. Also, from what I've seen from all this, it looks like Sky is the main character. Okay, next up we have Charlie. I don't know what mild shake means, so I'm going to honestly try my best. Honestly, wait, okay. Thank you, Sky. I want to help you. I want to help everyone here. This isn't right. Nothing about this is right. Just leave me be. I don't want to talk to anyone. Oh, sorry. I just had to make that a bit dramatic right there. I don't want to talk to anyone. Sorry. Is it still recording? Okay. Now next we have Evie. Okay, so next we have Evie. Stern voice with the rusted undertone and slight British dialect. Don't wander too far and keep an eye on the star moon. Stop hiding from the world's sky. It's about time to face what we left behind in the ruins. In the ruins. This is not what I had planned. I never wanted it to end like this. I know this is probably so cringy. I don't really care. Why is it she, hers, and then his? What? Next we have Sky. I'm pretty sure this is the main character. Stern, smooth, pure voice. I'm gonna try my best on that. So would it be kind of like this? That sounds so... I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Simba. I'm a little distracted right now. You are not going back. No one is going back. Charlie, I'm sorry. Really? Is this still recording? Okay, I was about to say. Now we have Luna. This is the one my cousin auditioned for. I'm not trying to like take over this. Like, I honestly really hope that she gets the thing for this. And I'm just trying out for this. Like, even if she doesn't get it, maybe she could try out for another character. But anyway, stern voice with a soft undertone. Okay. Evie, I'm going on a Evie, I'm going on a walk. Can you and Moon take care of the cave alone? I'll get out of this forest. I don't belong here. I never did. You promised me. You promised we'd return. Just don't talk to me, Sky. Oh my god, when my cousin did this, she was like, don't talk to me, Sky. We were like making jokes about it. Okay, is this all? Oh, I have to... I can get Discord, but... I don't have a microphone. What am I gonna do? Oh my god. Okay, well, I'm just gonna go ahead and upload this. Thanks for watching. This probably is going to flop. But thank you if you made it to the end. I really appreciate you guys. And if you guys want, I'm not forcing you. You don't have to do this. It would just really help me out a lot. My goal is to get to 50, and then I'm gonna do like go from by 50s. It would like really help if you guys subscribe. I'm working on growing a bigger channel. I'll do gotcha, Roblox, casting calls, videos about my cats and a whole bunch of stuff like that. So thank you guys if you've made it this far, and goodbye.